How smart you be to start a business in the ghetto of Jamaica and make it strive. It's not an easy task, you know. I remember when you have the ghetto people them in a Jamaica, cause me a ghetto girl. I mean, me not say me a ghetto girl, but me grew up in a ghetto too, and it wasn't easy. And when you have to write an entire list, saying go give a shopkeeper a Jamaica for trust, that is not an easy thing, you know. Because if me I write a list, give my shopkeeper, the next door neighbor write a list, the other, it's not easy to have a business in a the ghetto at Jamaica. I'm not gonna lie. Me never used to write lists, but I'm just saying, growing up, it happened around me. You know? Me not gonna say me never saying go a shop go trust something. Me do, but me pay it. Me not remember, but more than likely me do it. But seriously, me not quite remember because he's the kind of person who really faced it. But me can't recall like saying go a shop go just a whole list or anything like that. I always try to live about I always try to live within my needs at Jamaica. That's why me I say even on Sunday me used to eat dumpling and butter because me is the fiercest kind of person when I want to beg and trust people things. But if me have to do either one, I prefer borrow it than beg it. And that's me. But anyways, when you're in the ghetto of Jamaica and to start a business, it's not easy because if so many people are trust the business, how you are gonna get to buy back stock? And sooner or later the business are gonna go down. And that's why a lot of people don't survive in the ghetto with a little business. Because we as Jamaican, you know, we use the emotion go into things. We love it, you know, but we also can be um devious. Some of us, not all of it, we can also be devious. And when we give you a all, it's like for some reason they expect say them to see it back and get it back. Because if you not get it back, you know, trust me, you know, you have a guest coming. So when you are give, you expect to receive, which I don't know, so it for go. I know so it for go. You give out of your heart, and then God reward you. Who you give things to, not look back for them for give you things. So and also people get blessing, but Jamaican people, I saw them believe it. A lot of them believe it that way. Them, me not ask you, me I tell you. A lot of them, cause believe me, growing up, me used to believe it that way too. So when me I say it's very hard when you see a shop in the ghetto or any little business, ice cream thing, a little ice cream shop, a little any little thing where you know say so we supposed to survive in a ghetto. It's not easy. It's not an easy task when people are just it. And as we say, we emotions get the best away because we know say that person they not have it and they must struggle. But you know say then we pay you back or whatever. You write down their name in your book and you see say then compare upon the day when them say them a come. Next week you are go trust them again because them come and give you the money. But for the one them now we hard pay, when you go back a shop for trust, they don't really want give you. But if you is the kind of person now where we bad up people forget the things now, them have to send it. And that cause a lot of business to go out of business in the ghetto. Yeah, that's what really caused a lot of business in the ghetto to just go out of business. Because people in the ghetto they don't have it. And for no say, you send the kids them come and shop for come trust the things them. Me never did that kind of person that still feel, you know, you go trust things that shop. And I gonna say maybe one and two time it might happen. But as me tell you, me prefer eat dumpling and butter with me. You know, like what people and if me say me I carry the money come the Friday, me I make you get the money the Friday. So but me I tell you, people in the ghetto, them do it non-stop. And it's hard for a business to strive like that. But anyway, guys, if you are one of them person there where you used to live in the ghetto and you know your office, trust things we make end meet. Drop in the comment section. You've been there, and even if you're still doing it, yeah, share your story. Tell me, because it do happen. Most of we were in the ghetto, knowing so we have children to find like a breakfast tomorrow morning. You might find the dinner, but tomorrow morning for them to go to school, you don't have nothing for them to eat. So you maybe want like a cornmeal to make like a porridge, or you know want lasco, where you find yourself you don't have the money. So you maybe send at the shop, or you go at the shop and say, Miss Chin, um we we can trust one lasco, and tomorrow when we get paid you get it back. If you're one of them person they don't lie and do it. But as me say, me is the kind of person who very feisty. I mean, I like old people, so I have to be desperate for me to do something like that. So I always try to live within my needs and don't make things go. That's why I say I prefer to cook dumpling and butter, or cook like a rice and mackerel, or rice and mackerel and dumpling. You know, past Sunday if you come to the test, because me always that try for budget when me have and I put myself out of the way for make ends meet. And that was just me. Never like for trust and beg and borrow. That was not me. But as me say, if me have to do either one of them throughout my life growing up in Jamaica, it would have mostly be borrow and not beg. Never a beggy person can me. So rank. Guys, you know see me slang so? Nah beg. I'm afraid to even ask you sometime for like the video because I feel like me a beg or no. And if you don't really like my content, them, I want to appreciate them. You know that just like them. So they just feel like me shouldn't have to ask you to like them. And if you not appreciate them. So I either want to appreciate them or I don't really not appreciate them. So why me have to bother I want to like them all the time? Sometimes I don't remember because it's not something within me to always a beg. Me face it bad you see me. Face it. Me say me prefer go pack up a it's not so I'm not gonna say cause the power is in the tongue. I mean I want to say it. Big up on a nice clean self, enough love. But right now me I go beg enough for like the video. Mwah. Bye bye.